This is the Channel Tunnel. I didn't want to bore you with all the customs, big delays. You got to go through two borders here. Looks like this is where we're waiting to board the train. Move again now. The only one shithead got to stand in the middle. Shithead. I hate start-stop systems on fucking cars. Worst thing ever invented. Right, let's wait to board now. Right, we're boarding the Channel Tunnel. I haven't been in it before, I've been about 1,000 times in a truck. This is what it's like in a car. Mind you, I've been on it a few times in a car as well, like. And then we stop. Back again. We're moving again now. I don't know how long we're moving for, but we're just getting up for the train. God, they're so bloody slow. It never used to be like this. Just bloody drive on like straight away. And on the freight side. For all you people who haven't been on the Channel Tunnel, you know, I thought I'd do a video. I could come out on the Dover-Calais boat, and that was just a disaster, that. Not messing about, and the border control since Brexit, absolute nightmare. Like here, you've always had two border controls. You've got passports for the French and passports for the English, all on one side. passport control at England just to go out of Europe is a disaster. It never used to be. Like, there's no border control at the other side. We're on the top deck of a train here. Double deck for the cars. With parking sensors on any fit. Someone's going to nudge us up, get us closer. We'd like to get them all packed in. Still moving, are we? I can't tell. Can you see? Now I can see a lady marshalling the cars now. Okay. Right, here we are parked up. We've got a Albert Steptoe lookalike there in front of me. A young Albert Steptoe, son, look at him. He's been in and out of his car more times than a pussy's been out of knickers. Never known out like it. Yeah, here we go, we're on the train. Here we go. We're getting off the Channel Tunnel now. Put the windows up. That car in front, he was one annoying, birching, signalling bastard. Oh man, I wanted to punch his fucking lights out. He was in and out of that car more time than God knows what. He was out putting his sandwiches on the roof just to look, and he sits staring at you. Well, stand staring at you. What an annoying little turd. I was nearly going to say to him, "Get in the car, you cock." But I kept me cool. If I pass him on motorway, I'm going to give him a finger. That is a definite. shithole England. I hate the place. Doing it. It's showing its age, some of this infrastructure now. It's 1994, I think, or 95 it opened. And you know what's that? That's 30 years. Well, it's either 30 or 31 years ago now, right? So not got it easy. Was so annoying, in and out of his car. He were queuing waiting before he got on the train. He was bloody in out. What an annoying dick. He stands there gawping at you know. Can't be doing with it. Oh, it's 40 miles an hour. There used to be a speed limit here, mind you. I think all kamikaze pilots and all that, like, you know, they've had to put a limit on it. You're saying 50 now. Now we're driving on the left again now in England. You don't think it the way some of them bloody drive. Time are we on? 3:10. I'm gonna drive all the way up now, 320 odd miles till I get home. I miss me dogs, miss me son. Goes. Get the foot down. Bloody racket that is. Half a tank of fuel. I don't think I'll make it back on that. Somewhere else. We'll see.